Many homeowners make the assumption that if they switch from a wood-burning fireplace or stove to a gas hearth appliance, they will no longer have to have a professional perform annual maintenance on their appliance and chimney or vent. While creosote deposits are not an issue with gas appliances, gas hearth appliances still need annual inspection and maintenance. Annual maintenance will also minimize the chance of expensive repairs and interruption of service in the future. Because the operation of a gas appliance is so simple and reliable, you may ask, what could require annual maintenance? Now, some of the things a technician might check would be the pilot and thermocouple. Are they still in tune, adjusted properly as far as where the flame hits the thermocouple, and are they producing the proper voltage? They're going to check the ignition systems. Is the unit lighting on time to prevent excessive gas buildup? They're going to check your main burner function. Does it light in a timely fashion, and is it clear of obstructions? Control devices such as remotes, thermostats, wall switches, they're going to check those for proper function. They're also going to check the safety device functions. Every gas hearth appliance has some safety devices on it that are going to shut the appliance off in the case of a unit malfunction. Fans and blowers, are they clean and turning on as designed? Is the venting system clear of obstructions and able to contain products of combustion? They're going to check, do you have the proper gas pressure? To sum it up, much as you would have your boiler or furnace inspected annually, the same applies to your gas hearth appliance. Your gas fireplace should be serviced regularly to ensure it's working safely and efficiently. Because gas fireplaces are easy to maintain on a day-to-day basis, it can be easy to neglect scheduling and maintenance. Spring is the best time to schedule your service to ensure your stove or fireplace is ready after a long winter of hard use. During your service, a technician will thoroughly examine your stove and fireplace to ensure that it's in perfect operating condition. They'll also inspect the ignition mechanism to ensure your fires will always light reliably. The initial and foremost guideline of any gas fireplace system or wood gas stove system is to have it inspected every year. With professional chimney companies, you can usually have your annual chimney sweeping and gas inspections scheduled at the same time. Matter of fact, your whole system should be inspected annually, top to bottom. Hire a professional gas hearth appliance inspector who is certified to perform your annual safety check. The technician will clean your fireplace, which if it's gas, could consist of some type of ceramic log that mimics the shape and look of real wood. Part of the cleaning process tackles these decorative pieces, removing dust, pet hair, debris, and other grime. Your technician will probably be using some kind of vacuum and a specially designed soft bristle brush. Your inspector will check for any natural gas leaks and ensure that the fireplace is venting properly through the chimney. A professional technician will also make sure there are no obstructions in the chimney and there are no potential carbon monoxide leaks, something that can be deadly to anyone inside the house. The entire inspection normally takes about an hour, and with it being that fast, there's really no excuse not to have it scheduled on an annual basis. With safety on the line, having an inspection completed is a no-brainer.